This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Wonderful condo west/open floor plan and attached garage. Huge open living room west/and eat-in kitchen and a nice balcony. Master suite has a lofted ceiling and private bath. Updates to include wood floors, updated fixtures, newer paint, and a wide open floor plan make this an absolute must-see. Peaceful walks around the lake are an extra benefit to this wonderful condo. This wonderful community west/pool, playgrounds and walking path along the water. Very convenient to the interstate. Is close to Naval Hospital, downtown, MacArthur and ODU. Come see it today. For more information, review the details below.